Friends, in today's video, we will discuss AUM, what it is and whether an investor should consider the AUM, that is asset under management of a mutual fund before investing. We will also analyze how important AUM is in determining a mutual fund's performance. So let us get started. First, let us understand what AUM is. AUM is the total money invested in a particular mutual fund scheme. Each scheme has its own AUM. The total AUM of a fund house is the sum of the AUM of all its schemes. Now let us discuss whether having a high AUM is a good or bad signal for a mutual fund scheme. This depends on various factors which we will discuss later. However, generally a high AUM is considered a good signal for a mutual fund scheme. High AUM of a mutual fund scheme is considered positive because it indicates that investors have shown a high level of trust in that particular fund house and its schemes. This trust is usually built when a fund house delivers strong returns and maintains investor confidence over time. If a mutual fund consistently performs well, investors continue to invest in it, leading to an increase in its AUM. And therefore, if a fund house or any mutual fund scheme of that particular fund house is having a high AUM, it is considered a positive signal. It suggests that the fund house is performing, existing investors are confident and are staying invested in that particular fund. And further, it also indicates that new investors are also considering investing in that particular fund. Now let us discuss when a high AUM can be a negative factor for a fund and for its investors. In extreme circumstances such as a sudden market crash, high AUM funds may have some challenges, especially if investors panic and start withdrawing their money at the same time. As a mutual fund house must have to return money to its investors when they want to redeem their investments. And if the market is crashing, the fund house will be forced to sell shares even at a throwaway price. This increases the supply of shares in the market. Further, during a crash, buyers are already scarce. As a result, the fund house may have to sell shares at a significant loss, which negatively impacts the fund house, its NAV and its investors. The best way to avoid this situation is to not to panic during a particular crash. History shows that markets do not remain down forever. Even in extreme circumstances, markets recover within 2 or 3 years, and most of the times recovery happens much earlier and much faster. If you look at long-term returns, they are not significantly negative even in extreme market conditions. In fact, after every crash, the market bounces back sharply, recovering losses and continuing its growth and scaling new highs in the process. So, if you are investing in stocks or mutual funds, you need to be mentally prepared for such a volatility. If you can handle market fluctuations with patience, then investing in high AUM schemes and fund houses can be a good decision. This video is for educational purpose only and is not an investment advice or recommendation. Always conduct your own research or consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions.